Your child snores, breathes through their mouth, or has trouble focusing at school, those things may be connected. A child who doesn't breathe well at night doesn't sleep well. Child who doesn't sleep well doesn't restore properly. And when the body isn't restored properly, you might see a tired, unfocused, or maybe even some behavior sneak out. Attention-like symptoms in children are sometimes airway symptoms in disguise. I'm not saying it's always the airway, but it's worth understanding the full picture. Check out What Color is Your Airway quiz. It works for kids too.